The ShaftDesigner software provides various shafting calculations. This demo shows the example of shafting modeling. Modeling starts by creating a simple shaft element. Then add a fixed or controllable pitch propeller. Add a stern tube. Insert 2 stern tube bearings. Now place intermediate bearing. Insert a flange coupling. Adjust aft stern tube bearing length and position of the forward one. Properties also may be exactly set in the object inspector. Then add a linear layer on the propeller shaft. Change propeller shaft diameter at the aft part. Set number of the propeller blades. Next, insert the gearbox shaft. Replace the flange with the half coupling or joint. And replace the other flange coupling with sleeve or clutch one. Now create engine crankshaft instead of gearbox shaft. Set engine firing order. Add flexible coupling. You can go back to the previous version of the model using the History tab. Adjust the length of the gear shaft. Change type and angle of the gear teeth. Replace journal bearing with rolling bearings. Add the thrust property to the gearbox bearing. Your model is finished and ready for the calculations. Run applications of alignment, whirling, torsional, and axial vibration. Look for more information at the website.